Can tell what's going. Alright, Michelle. You're gonna be in my video, kinda.
Okay.
This is my second burping video ever.
Hold
on. Get that in there.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna like wait till I gotta down this, and it's just gonna.
My back hurts.
I feel it. Did you send me that picture?
Yeah.
Good one.
I need to like be drinking a soda right now because you know I can melt it.
There we go. I'm not done yet.
Can't get up.
Hold on, I'm not done yet.
So attractive.
Oh my god.
Hey, you guys.
Yeah.
My sketchy fridge. Oh, damn.
Yeah. Well. Michelle, you're ruining my video. Get out. I'm done.